Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into today's video. Before we get started with today's unboxing, can we get excited about fall and sweater weather? Fall is my absolute favorite season and I adore fall fashion. If you agree, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know your favorite fall item. But today's video is not about fashion, it is about planning. If you're new to my channel, hey, welcome. My name is Coach D, and here on my YouTube channel, I share my love for all things planning. Today, I have an unboxing video for you. I was sent a planner to unbox and review here on my YouTube channel, and it arrived in the mail, so I'm so excited to go ahead and unbox this planner and see what we're working with. I do have my 2022 planner lineup already set, but you never know. If this planner is a hit, I will add it to my 2022 fall collection in some way. But today's video, we're going to focus on the unboxing and then we'll come back and talk about how I intend to use this planner. This planner is the Christian Daily Planner, a planner designed for daily Christian living. I'm not going to show the front just because it has my address on it and things of that nature, and for privacy purposes, we don't want to do that. So it came bubble wrapped already. Just at first glance, it looks like it's a pretty good size for a planner, but let's get into the unboxing and the initial review. A lot of bubble wrap. My kids are going to have fun with this bubble wrap. So I'll put that to the side so they can pop the bubbles. They say it's therapeutic, so I let them have at it. All right, so this is the Christian Daily Planner. So it comes in a really nice white box. I do think that's fitting considering it is a Christian planner. So, you know, I think of white in terms of Christian walk, but we're not going to get into that in this particular video. But this is the box that it came in. It lifts up and it gives you just an initial flyer. You just changed a life. By purchasing the Christian Daily Planner, you've helped change a life, which is always important. For every Christian Daily Planner sold, we donate a portion to charity. Water, a passionate community who is working towards the day when everyone has clean water to drink. Thank you for doing your part and providing clean, life-saving water to those in need. So it tells you a bit more about the mission behind this particular planner. I can always get down with that. When you purchase something that you're going to use anyway, if the brand supports charity or if it supports outreach, I mean, I just get worked up about that because that's an important part about my life. I love to serve and to give back and to support different diverse communities financially and through service. So I can get with this. I did not know this when they sent me the planner. They reached out to get my information so that I could do the review and unboxing. And I did not know this beforehand. I didn't go and do too much research. I did a quick Google search to make sure it was a legitimate company, but I didn't dig into it so much. So I'm so excited to see this. You also get some custom tabs, just some stickers. Hopefully the white is picking up. And then these are just stickers. You really can't see it, but they're tabs off to the side. Oh, this is beautiful. So this is the Christian Daily Planner, a planner designed for daily Christian living. So I do love the white. Typically I shy away from white because you guys already know I have small children. My son, he's 4 and he's a 4-year-old little boy. So if he gets into my things, it won't be white anymore. So I will keep this in my office on my desk. So this is absolutely beautiful. It comes with a pin on the side. It says our mission is to provide the most valuable, personal, professional, and spiritual planner available. ChristianDailyPlanner.com. All right, when you open it up, it keeps with the same white aesthetic. It tells you what's inside. It gives you a welcome message. Grocery shopping list. What is this? What's inside? my contacts, books and movie list, password organizer, food, exercise tracker. Oh, I might like this. Dates to remember. I'll do another review where we can really look at this together. It has a goal map for 2022. It has January 2022. This is a 2022 planner, so it starts in January. If you are in the market for a planner, I will share my 2022 top picks in an upcoming video, so make sure that you hit subscribe so that you won't miss that. But so far, I think this is a really nice planner. Here are your boxes for the monthly layout. You guys know I'm a stickler for my boxes when it comes to the monthly layout. They have to be big enough for me to actually write in them because I love to journal and jot things down. So when you get into the week layout, this is what it entails. It gives you a lot of prompts. So if you're looking for a planner that's going to prompt you, maybe you don't like using sticker packs and sticker books and things of that nature to create your habit tracking and your goals, then this may be a good option. It has service notes for Sunday service, and then your prayer journal. So this would be awesome to take with you to church, especially if you serve on a board or a committee or something of that nature in your local church. Then this will be awesome to keep on handy with you. You can schedule your appointments. You can stay organized if you're a pastor, if you're a first lady. This would be an awesome planner to have. And I'm just flipping through. I do see it follows the same format throughout the planner with the goal section after the month. It gives you the habit tracking for the weekly spread, and then you have service notes in a prayer journal section. Towards the back, it also has a Bible reading log. So this is neat. I have not seen this in a planner before. So you can, if your goal is to read the Bible for the year, I think I started out on a goal to read the entire Bible one year. It didn't really work out like that. I don't want to say I got distracted, but I started reading other chapters and I never went back to track to see if I actually read the entire Bible over the course of that particular year. So anywho, if that's one of your goals in 2022, there's a Bible reading log right here included in the planner. So it has all the books of the Bible. It has a contacts list. Y'all already know how I feel about the contacts list. If you watch my previous videos, I don't know why we still have them. But anyway, your books to read and your movies to watch. For me, this is a little bit light. I do plan to read quite a bit of books in 2022. And then password organizer, your grocery shopping list, a weekly meal plan. You can tear this out. Okay. So this is kind of a grab and go type of sample section for you to use. And it gives you a bit gardening planner. Oh, cool. Travel checklist. And then a notes section in the back. So that's a high level flip through of this particular planner. When I do my 2022 planner lineup, I'll share a little bit more about this planner once I've had some time to really dive into it and compare it to my other planners. You already know within my planner stack, I have Happy Planner. I have an Erin Condren planner. I'm deciding whether or not I want to phase that out. So far, I've shared a little bit about my thoughts around Erin Condren and then her brand. So anywho, that's a conversation for another time. But I do use the Life Planner for my budgeting, and it will carry me into December 2022. So that planner is in my collection. I have a 2022 Vista planner, which I unboxed and did a detailed flip through of that planner as well. That is here on my channel. Go ahead and check that out. And I have a 2022 Simply Yours Day planner from Planned and Proper that is coming. I am a brand ambassador for both a Revista and a brand ambassador for Planned and Proper. So I'm so excited to share those planners with you as we continue our journey to closing out 2021 and going into 2022. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. If you are interested in a faith-based planner, this will be a good one. This will be a good option. Once again, when I do my 2022 in-depth review for my planners, I will touch on this planner again because so far my first impression is it's a good option, especially if you serve in ministry and things of that nature. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit subscribe. I would love to welcome you to my YouTube family. Bye guys.